this is a rough spot where our posts are, this is our exterior posts, kind of like there. Okay, we have two here, and then the two down at the far end over there. That's where these two are put in. We measured off the fence line. That way we have to be set back onto our property a certain distance. So we measured off of that first fence line over there for the distance, plus we left 2 extra feet. That's the same thing we did on that end over there also. So this is a rough. We have a laser level. We're going to lower that down. It's just that's where it was set up. And we're going to drive those posts in, and we'll mark those spots. But what we're going to do is we're going to come out this way about 5 feet from the posts, drive 2 more posts there, the same over there, and we'll do the same thing over here. We'll get lined up, we'll drive 2 posts, one out this way, one back that way, and do it over there also. That way we have our distance, and we're going to end up pulling these 4 posts and just putting in, our string will do that. And we'll end up driving posts here in the center also. Posts driven in through here. We have a certain distance that we have to put holes in at. So we're going to have more posts to drive in the ground, and we might have to make a few more. So we're just getting our basic layout for everything. And once we have all of our posts in the ground, then we'll use the laser level and we'll mark our posts. And we're not going to mark it down by the ground, we'll mark it up a little bit higher. And once we get that marked, what we're going to do is we'll measure off of those marks up and down for the different things that we're going to do. But those marks will be what we go on. So we're just starting to get our layout ready. Anyways, thank you. Okay, so now we've got all the posts in the ground. Those 2 are going to get pulled, and so are those 2 up there at the other end. Not the far ones, but the ones just in. We're going to use this one and that far one for the line of where we're going to drill our hole. This one and that one, those ones come out, and now we're going to go do the same thing at the other end. Those posts, where those stakes were, is going to be like where these are here inside there. the this is the distance in between the posts. Okay. Now those 6 stakes, we're going to have 6 posts. This is only 2-inch pipe. That's that pipe there with all the grass growing around it. I bought that previously. And we're going to start, we're probably going to level that off a little bit. We're going to get the grade figured. We're going to take a little break and hang out for a little bit, and then we'll come back out and we'll do the laser level and mark each of those stakes. Okay. And we'll have to lower that down, and I do have another tripod, so we'll get that all lowered down and get it all level, the laser level on top of that tripod. And then we'll mark all the stakes. Okay. And then we're going to check on, you can tell that ground's not level. And we might try and level that off a little bit. And then after we do that, we're probably going to get a load of gravel brought in and put some ground cloth down and put the gravel on top of that. And that might be next weekend. We'll see if we can't level this off some and get that ground cloth down. And I've got a little bit of gravel, but we're probably going to need a truck. This is a mistake. We should have done that here too. Anyways, just trying to make sure I don't make the same mistakes. So that's the beginning of our layout. Thank you.